And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, there could be a return for the failed Grand Slam Track League following its financial struggles. Well, the man behind it says all is not giving up. Well, he's not giving up on the idea as he broke his silence in an exclusive interview with the Telegraph. Ronaldo Brown reports.
Four-time Olympic champion American Michael Johnson is not giving up on the Grand Slam Track League despite its bankrupt introduction in 2025. What was branded as the savior for the sport of track and field quickly descended into chaos when organizers voluntarily filed for bankruptcy in the United States in December 2025 after the final leg in Los Angeles was cancelled. The Association of Athletics Managers, which represents a number of competitors, said in January that Grand Slam Track had debts of more than $30 million. Despite the challenges, Johnson, in an exclusive interview with The Telegraph, which was published on Saturday, has not ruled out having another go at the Grand Slam Track League.
That's where I can focus now. I could not even entertain, a future for Grand Slam until I could get athletes paid and get a neutral space for Grand Slam where, we don't have any liabilities anymore and we've satisfied all of those and got the athletes paid. So now that I've been able to accomplish that, now I can think about, what a future for Grand Slam Track might look like.
In March 2026, a legal filing by Grand Slam Track's creditors accused Johnson of secretly paying himself $500,000 days before the season collapsed. A claim a GST representative said at the time was unfounded and false. Johnson also addressed the claim during the interview, noting that he had to put personal funds into the project.
Our credit card was full at Grand Slam because we were facing some significant cash flow issues. So I instructed our travel team to put athlete and staff flights. We had 96 athletes plus companions that we've got to fly to Miami and to Philadelphia. We've got 170 or so people that we've got to house at hotels in both of those cities. We don't have any room on our credit card. So I instructed them to put it on my credit card and I'll be reimbursed for it. So what I received was reimbursement. But that was very hurtful, and I know why it was said, and I know why it was out there, but it was very hurtful because it was the exact opposite of what was happening.
Now, as it relates to the athletes, Johnson revealed that payment of monies owed to them has been made.
Me getting this problem fixed, getting these athletes paid is the only thing that matters. So yeah, and I'm happy to say, now, right here, that, now I've been able to get these athletes paid. We paid $11 million that we owed to athletes. That's the most prize money and compensation that's ever been paid to track athletes to compete. We canceled our LA Slam, the last one. We still paid the athletes for that. Grand Slam Track was set up to provide better treatment to these athletes.
Johnson was the founder of the Track League, which had its inaugural season in 2025 with meets here in Kingston, Miami, and Philadelphia. Johnson had boasted a $30 million bankroll at the outset of Grand Slam Track, but in its Chapter 11 filing in bankruptcy court in Delaware, the league said it had less than $50,000 cash on hand, had between 200 and 999 creditors, and owed between $10 million and $50 million. Several Jamaicans, including two-time world champion Daniel Williams, Akira Nugent, and current 100-meter world champion Oblique Seville, took part in the inaugural Grand Slam Track season.